had very important motions before the Assembly that needed action, including the supplementary budget and the other subsequent timeline motions, including the passing of the county fiscal strategy paper. We have other 20 premises of the county assembly that we call the precincts of the county assembly. If you refer to the definition in our standing order that guides the procedures of operations of the county assembly, we have 21 precincts of the county assembly. We have 20 ward offices, which are fully furnished. The same Senate has hovered a budget that allowed us to have those ward offices where we can do our businesses. From the happenings, guided by the laws of the county assembly, especially standing order number 1 that is provided for the speaker, read together with the standing order on 104, standing order number 104 of the county assembly on grossly disorderly conduct of the members. And what happened is not in any of the definition of that standing order, of standing order number 104, from what you saw the honorable members did. Then when it's not explicitly, Honorable Chair.
I want to be very specific. You have been moved from your official office, and moved from your the speaker's chair. And the court still keeps you as chair, the speaker. Where have you been operating from?
We have been doing that on the sub-county premises of the county assembly.
You have been moved from that place, official office, and moved from your the speaker's chair. And the court still keeps you as chair, the speaker. Where have you been operating from?
We have been doing that on the sub-county premises of the county assemblies.
Was that place gazetted officially?
Officially gazetted.
Do you have gazette notice?
Yes, it's right here with the attachments.
And where is the official location for Nyamira Assembly? Officially?
Official, the headquarters is the main chambers.
The main chamber?
Yes,
so
where the violence happened.
After you have been moved out,
yes.
You gazetted another one?
Yes, I gazetted other venues of conducting the assembly businesses.
Through which gazette notice?
Page 62. Page 62. Let me see which annex it is. It's annexure 8B.
Okay.
We have a certified copy of the venues.
Okay.
Under gazette notice number 14229.
Okay. Was there any motion that was moved by the assembly?
Yes, there was a motion.
A motion?
Yes.
Voted for?
Yes, passed by the assembly.
By how many members?
I cannot remember about the members. It can be simple majorities as many.
You have a copy of the motion?
Can be by acclamation.
Sorry?
Can be by acclamation.
Acclamation?
The highest, yes.
Just to follow, you said there was a motion to move the sittings from the gazetted precincts of the assembly.
I was getting there. The avenues are very many, Honorable Senator, Honorable Chair.
It's okay.
Allow me now to take you through why we find ourselves with these gazetted places.
No, sorry, before you go there.
Okay.
I think the chair, you told the chair, unless I didn't get you rightly, that you had a motion on the floor.
A motion has been passed before the floor of the County Assembly of Nyamira.
So when was this? That's what you need to tell us now.
The first motion was passed in 2015 to allow the County Assembly of Nyamira to conduct its businesses outside the precincts of the Assembly.
I can see gazette notice here.
2015?
Yes, Honorable Senator. I want to take you through the motions because it's guided by the law.
I presume 2015 must have been for that assembly.
Very true. We have had the same standing orders and they have not been challenged.
No.
Because the Speaker is guided by the standing order.
Sorry, Honorable Speaker, Chair. I thought, if the Senate wants to do bunge mashinani, If we do it now, it will be for this session, and we give specific dates and specific venues where we sit. We do it. The motion will state that the Senate will be having sittings out of Nairobi in Turkana from the 6th to the 10th, then members debate and pass. I think that's what Chairman is asking, that if you had a motion before the House, what were the contents of that motion and what resolution did the Assembly pass? I think that's what the Chairman is asking.
Exactly, yeah.
Chairman, if I got you correctly.
Yeah, and maybe further, Chair, 2015, was it specific for a specific date, or it was an open-ended motion?
I can see, according to your Gazette notice, number 14 to the 25th November, you have 4 places.
The very same thing.
All these 4 areas.
Yes.
That is Masaba.
Yes.
Yes. You have an office there?
Yes.
Assembly has an office?
We have 20 ward offices. Actually, it's one that is not complete, which is
Nyamira North.
exactly where even the headquarters. Yes, from the assembly precincts. MCS ward offices are county assembly precincts. Yes, as part of the definition of our standing orders.
So you have been
what are assembly precincts is.
From one place to another place.
Yes. As part of the calendar. If you check the details of that Gazette notice, I think it can guide us.
Yes.
Check the details of the gazettement. It says as per to the approved calendar. The calendar has the date and has the time.
Okay. Sorry, before you finish. In 4 places in Nyamira. And then you are supposed to make some constitutions. You are supposed to approve supplementary budgets and budgets.
Exactly.
Where's the venues have you been using? And was the county, the executive, bringing their reports and everything to that assemblies, or they take it to another place?
Very true. We had the offices.
You had offices.
Yes, the ward offices.
When you approved the last budget,
Yes.
or the supplementaries, where did you do it?
We passed it in one of the ward offices in Magwawa.
You approved it officially.
Pardon?
The budget was approved by your
That's the supplementary budget. It was approved, yes.
by you
Yes.
and your team.
And the legitimate clerk.
Okay.
Yes.
And the executive was there.
Yes.
They submitted the budget.
It submitted, we gazetted the public participation and everything. We followed every due process that is for making the budget.
Okay, members.
My question was, I want to compare 2015 to this one, 31st of October 2024.
Exactly.
What did you exactly gazette in 2015? Was it for one event, one-off event, or was it general?
It was a multi-purpose as part of the calendar. The calendar has the dates.
Do you have the 2015 one?
Yes, it's right there. It's,
Where is it,
it's an
2015?
attachment, I guess. Let me confirm. I've been having it. I can provide it, but they haven't attached it, provided a copy.
You have a copy here.
My second
It's not provided, but we can
clarification. From the speaker or from... can you clarify that by the time you were doing this Gazette notice, you had been impeached?
There is no impeachment here. I think,
Are you impeached by the date 31st October 2024?
Through the chair.
Had you been impeached?
Through the chair.
Yeah.
Mr. Chair. I will. same has been challenged, and the more he speaks on it, the more I find him.
Okay. Fine. I think I'll request that we are delegation in her office. We'll give her some few minutes, maybe give us the insight, maybe I wish the budget was made and who was made.
Maybe, Honorable Chair, if you give me 2 seconds. This is the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Enock Okero, with what my Senator, Honorable Morgan said, because it's a very touchy matter. I wanted to clarify on it, because I was in the process of explaining about the Bunge Mashinani. From the happenings of that day, in our standing orders, Honorable Chair, the standing orders clearly defined what it is called grossly disorderly conduct. Among what you are seeing there is nowhere captured in our standing orders. And if a matter is not expressly stated in the standing orders, it's the powers of the Speaker to apply standing order number 1 and 2. And I rely on standing order number 1, section 2, which says that the Speaker will make decisions in compliance with the Constitution of Kenya.
Okay.
And then you go to the Constitution, Article 126 of the Constitution of Kenya. It says clearly where the county assembly can hold its sittings. The only thing the House is supposed to approve is the date. And our assembly has passed a calendar which has the dates and the time of meeting. That's where I derive my powers from.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Very well. I think I will call upon the